What's up, guys? Today we're at Canine Action Sports. We're gonna get Cowboy on some sheep. He hasn't done this in a while. He might be a little rusty. Last time he picked up right where we left off, so let's go see how he does.
Move out to the middle now, give yourself some room.
This is always more of a learning experience for me than Cowboy, I feel like. I am by no means claiming to be an expert herding shepherd trainer or anything, but I do have a very close bond with my dog, and it allows us to work really well together. There's three main factors to herding that I've picked up. There's the human's body language, the dog's body language, and the sheep's body language. And they work together in this kind of symbiotic triage that can kind of be seen here. For a cattle dog, which are known to be very much brutes, Cowboy is able to keep the sheep fairly calm by not barking a lot, and he doesn't really dart in, try and take cheap shots at him. What I'm doing here is I'm actually using this stick to push him out, so that his flanks or his change in directions shouldn't actually be moving the sheep all that much. That's just to reposition him, and then when we actually want to move the sheep, I'll tell him to move in.
Down, down.
Okay.
Okay. It just changes your whole perspective on that.
Good boy, buddy.
Just like that, just like that. Go to the other cone now. Just keep walking just like that. About straight up and down, he's wearing just fine. He's doing what he's supposed to. Past the HQ of flying colors.
We might have to do that.
And you need to do it twice, but you're doing the HT right now, as well as I've ever seen it done. I'm hating you a little bit right now.
It just sucks his life.
Yeah. Yeah. We have one of the trainers that have it like that. Everything is easy. Everything comes naturally. Look at him, updating it.
Your relationship with your dog is going to play a huge role in how you work together. The groundwork that Cowboy and I have laid has allowed us to improve at an exponential rate with herding, and it's something that I really enjoy watching him do, as well as learn kind of the ropes myself.
Down. Hey, down. That's a cattle dog right there. There's that shot.
Cowboy swoops in for a bit of a cheap shot here on this sheep. You know, that's kind of the cattle dog personality I was talking about before, but it's something I'm definitely not letting him get away with. I am convinced that because I have taught Cowboy such a solid down command, that has led to a lot of our success in this arena, because it just allows me to have so much control over him when he gets over kind of stimulated like that. You know, I can just tell him down, I can position him where I want to, and that is why, you know, teaching down is something I really talk about a lot. We have a whole nother video on it. Check it out. I'll put the link up above.
This dog will already drive, which is just friggin' amazing.
Bath for two. Next.
While all herding breeds were technically bred to herd, the fact is some won't have the drive to actually do it. You know, Cowboy certainly does though. He has that knack for it, so it's something I really do want to pursue with him. Maybe even get his herding title for fun. Who knows? It's just really a fun activity to do together, and you know, when he's got a smile like that on his face, it just makes me want to do it more.
Alright guys, that was the most recent update on Cowboy's working. He did great. It's pretty warm out here, so we cut it a little early, but I mean, he loves it. You can see just his little gears twisting in his head. If you're in San Diego, highly recommend Canine Action Sports, or anywhere in your area, find somewhere where you can let your dog do what they were bred to do. If you like the shirt or the hat, I'll put the link in the description below, as well as Cowboy's supplements, back40dogs.com. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one.